How to fix login errors on the Postmates app. If you're having issues signing into your Postmates application, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. First, you want to make sure it's not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to use your cellular data or vice versa. Then you can simply go to your settings. From settings, you can simply scroll down to the apps section that you can find here. Then from the apps section, in the search bar from the top right, you can type in Postmates and then just tap on it. Then when you tap on Postmates, from here you can go to storage. From the bottom, you can tap on clear cache and make sure to clear the data of the app. Now, if you're using in your app store or your iPhone in this case, then you want to make sure to offload the app. Also check if the Postmates app have any sort of update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version as well. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are basically that your login details are incorrect. So you can launch the Postmates app, tap on the continue button and just check whether or not your credentials are correct. So you can try to enter with your phone number, continue with Google, Apple ID, or continue with email option by tapping on continue with email, enter your email address, tap on the next option and just make sure to enter the code that was sent to your email, and once done, you will be able to also log into the Postmates app. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.